Once upon a time, in the enchanting kingdom of Janasalam, there reigned a wise and just king named Mujahid, affectionately known as Muzahid Badsha. By his side, as his trusted advisor and minister, was the brilliant Amzad, who was commonly referred to as Amzad Badsha. One sunny morning, Muzahid was in a playful mood, and he decided to engage in a friendly intellectual challenge with his minister, Amzad. Muzahid had a fondness for puzzles and wanted to see if Amzad could solve one of his own creation. With a mischievous twinkle in his eye, Muzahid posed a perplexing question to Amzad.
Amzad, my loyal advisor, can you find the highest number in a list of integers without using any built-in functions in Java or Java 8?
Amzad, being a man of incredible intellect and knowledge, didn't flinch at the challenge. He accepted it with a gracious nod and a warm smile.
Of course, Your Majesty, he replied. I shall endeavor to find the highest number through a creative and algorithmic approach.
For hours, Amzad immersed himself in deep thought, crafting an ingenious solution that would not rely on any pre-built Java functions. After some time, he returned to Muzahid with a gleam of triumph in his eyes.
Your Highness, Amzad began, I have devised a method that will identify the highest number in the list without using built-in functions. It involves iterating through the list and keeping track of the maximum value we have encountered so far. This way, we will eventually identify the highest number.
Muzahid was genuinely impressed by Amzad's ingenuity. He knew that Amzad had an incredible talent for problem solving. However, just as they were about to put Amzad's method to the test, the palace doors swung open to reveal the arrival of a new guest, Queen Shahrazad, a renowned scholar and mathematician. She had overheard the conversation between Muzahid and Amzad, and couldn't resist the opportunity to share her own solution. Smiling gracefully, Queen Shahrazad said,
"My dear king and minister, I couldn't help but overhear your intriguing puzzle. It's true that Amzad has a remarkable solution, but I'd like to offer a different approach using Java's built-in functions."
With her unparalleled knowledge of Java 8, Queen Shahrazad quickly produced a concise and elegant solution that utilized built-in functions to find the highest number in the list. Her code was efficient and effective, providing an immediate answer. Muzahid and Amzad were both amazed by her skill and expertise, acknowledging that her method was indeed a powerful demonstration of the capabilities of Java 8. In the end, Muzahid was delighted not only by the creative prowess of his minister Amzad, but also by the knowledge and talents of Queen Shahrazad. The playful challenge had turned into a celebration of intellect and wisdom, leaving everyone in the palace with a greater appreciation for the diverse ways one could approach and solve problems in the kingdom of Jana Salam.